Hi everyone! My name is Jovencia Salas, BSBA FM1D. Alam niyo ba na marami tayong system sa ating katawan? For example, the nervous system, respiratory system, digestive system, circulatory system, and so on. But before that, what is circulatory system? Aka cardiovascular system. The circulatory system is made up of blood vessels that carry blood away from and towards the heart. It carries oxygen, nutrients, hormones to cells and removes waste product like the carbon dioxide. Organ. One of the organ of the circulatory system is the heart. Heart is a hollow muscular organ that pumps the blood through the circulatory system by rhythmic contraction and dilation. This is the path of blood through the heart. So tinatawag natin itong daanan ng ating dugo sa pamamagitan ng ating puso. Blood enters the atria first. The left atrium receives oxygen, rich blood from the lungs. The right atrium receives oxygen, poor blood from the body. When the atria contract, blood is squeezed into the ventricles. While the atria relax, the ventricles contract and push blood out of the heart. Blood from the right ventricle goes to lungs. Blood from the left ventricle goes to the rest of the body. There are three blood vessels organ, known as the arteries, the capillaries, and the veins. Arteries is blood vessel that carries oxygen-rich blood away from the heart into the body parts. The capillaries, small blood vessels where materials are exchanged between the blood and the body's cell like the oxygen and the carbon dioxide. Veins carries oxygen poor with carbon dioxide back to the heart to be pumped out the lungs. This is the flow of the blood through the body. The right ventricle pumps oxygen poor blood into arteries that lead to the lungs. These are the only arteries in the body that carry oxygen poor blood. In the capillaries of the lungs, blood takes up oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. Oxygen-rich blood travels through veins to the left atrium. These are the only veins in the body that carry oxygen-rich blood. The heart pumps oxygen-rich blood from the left ventricle into arteries, then into capillaries. As blood travels through capillaries, it transports oxygen, nutrients, and water to the cells of the body. At the same time, waste materials and carbon dioxide are carried away. Oxygen-poor blood travels back to the heart and is delivered into the right atrium by two large veins. This is the image of the blood vessels from heart to artery to wall of artery to capillaries to wall of vein to vein and to the heart. So blood is made up of four components, or shall I say four parts, namely the plasma, the red blood cells, the white blood cells, the platelets. Plasma is a liquid part of the blood. Red blood cells take up oxygen in the lungs and deliver it to cells. White blood cells, the body's disease fighters, part of immune system. So ito yung tinatawag nating sundalo ng ating katawan. So syempre lumalaban ito sa iba't ibang uri, dumadapo ng sakit sa ating katawan. Platelets, all pigments used in forming blood clots that make scabs. So this is the end of my presentation. So I hope that meron kayong natutunan sa aking presentasyon. So thank you so much for listening and for watching, and goodbye everyone.